Hello, everyone, and welcome back to OVent's YouTube channel. My name is Daniel Ruales. I am the project manager here at OVent, and today I am going to show you guys a simple and easy way of how to search and attend events. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing we're going to want to do, like always, is open up our web browser and go to ovent.com. Once we get there, we're going to go ahead and click log in and type in our information. As you can see, I already have mine filled out and ready to go. So I'm just going to go ahead and click login. That's going to refresh the home page for me and log me in, show me my O code, all that cool stuff, right? So let's go ahead and find some events. For the easiest and quickest way to do that is just by going up to the header and clicking find events. By default, just so you guys know, by default it's going to pull in any event within 40 miles of where you currently are. So as you can see, I am in Orem, Utah. It's going to pull any event that's within that range. So anything in Salt Lake or in Sandy or in Provo, it'll show me any events going on here. And as you can see, we have quite a few, and that's just awesome, guys. We're really happy that you guys are playing around with the site and creating some great events. So let's go ahead and try out some different filter criteria and things like that, just to kind of play around and get a feel of the different ways you can search for events. So I'm going to go ahead and by clicking this X, I'm going to go ahead and be getting rid of the filter. And as you can see, I have no filters left, which means right now I'm seeing all the events on OEvent that are currently live. You know, it doesn't matter where you are, I'm seeing your event. If you're in the other side of the world in Japan, or if you're somewhere just in Hawaii, I will be seeing your event right now just because I have no filters. And as you can see, we have a whole ton of those events, and that is awesome, guys. So now let's go ahead and say I want to type in a keyword for a specific event that I'm looking for, and I know that the event, one of the keywords or the in the title, it has the word awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in and then click add to filters, and look at that. That's fantastic. It shows me any event that has the title awesome or that has a keyword awesome, and then I can go ahead and search for the one that I'm looking for. Now, we're going to go ahead and do a different one. We're going to go ahead and go creator. We're going to type in, we're going to get rid of this filter first, and then we're going to go ahead and type in my name and see what pops up. And there we go. Took just a second, guys. Sorry about that. But as you can see, it's now popped up all the events that that I have created and that I have up on the website. So that's pretty cool. I've been kind of busy. We're gonna go ahead and get rid of that filter now and go to location. We're gonna go ahead and see what's going on in, let's say, Riverton, Utah. And we're going to go ahead and, as you can see, we can choose the distance, minimum of 40, but we can do more. Let's see anything within 100 miles. Why not? Let's see what happens. And just like that, it pulls in a whole ton of different events that are within that range that I selected, right? And we're going to go ahead and get rid of that now. Let's try categories. Let's try business training. Click that, and it's going to show me any event that was created under the label of business training, right? That's pretty cool. So now I've pretty much showed you, what it's like to um, kind of use filters to search and things like that. So now let's go ahead and actually attend an event. My apologies. So let's go ahead and click here on this. This is my awesome event. Let's go ahead and click view. Now that I've clicked view, that's going to take me to what's called the event landing page. And as you can see here, this is just where you're going to find the picture of the event. You're going to find this is my awesome event, which is the title, and any description that the organizers made, the spots that are left, where it's at, the organizer and their picture, and then you can even click to view the profile. And right here next to the title, there's this little button here that if you click, it'll bookmark this event for you so that you can easily find it later. One thing I do want to note, guys, this giant green button that says add to featured events, that will not be on anyone's account other than mine. It is on my account because I am an admin account and I have the ability to add different events to the homepage section where it says featured events. But No one ever will have this show up, just so you guys are aware. Okay, let's move on and go ahead and attend this event by clicking the button that says attend this event, right? As you can see here, there's 47 tickets left. They're free. I can only have 1 ticket per person, it says right there. And we're going to go ahead and click the plus sign. It's going to show me, the summary of the tickets and how much money it's going to be. And then I'm going to go ahead and click continue registration. So right here, this section that says refers O code, this is very important. This is not your O code that you're entering. You're entering the O code of whatever person told you about the event. So if I had my boss Brianne, she told me about this event. She said, Daniel, I really want you to come to this event. Just put in my O code so that I can get credit for you coming, right? That's where I would go ahead and type in her O code, Brianne Hovey, and then that's it. Just like that. Now that I've typed it in, she's going to get credit once I finish registering. She'll get credit for that. And if for some reason you don't have an O code, if no one told you about it, you just kind of stumbled upon it on the website or on Facebook somewhere, you can go ahead and just click I don't have an O code. It'll gray this out. As you can see, it won't let me edit. It'll grade it out, and it'll just not show anyone. You won't be under anyone specific. So I'm going to go ahead and unclick that so that Brianne can get credit for my attending. And then this will always be filled out automatically through the information that you use to sign up. So it's super easy and simple. The only thing that I'm going to have to do here now is go ahead and select, do I have a doTERRA wholesale account? I do not. So I'm going to click no. Now that I have everything filled out here, I'm going to go ahead and click register. As you can see, it's spinning here. It's taking just a second. And just like that, boom. It sends me the confirmation page. I'm ready. I'm good to go. I'm going to attend this event. I'll receive an email pretty shortly, within a few minutes, confirming my registration. And I have a lot of information here that I can read from. I can go to my registrations. I can, do more, see the summary of the order, etc. So that's how you search for events and attend them. And thank you guys for watching.